Meaning of gastric flu.
Gastric flu.
Gastric flu.
Gastric flu.
Gastric flu. Gastric flu, also known as gastroenteritis, is a digestive tract infection caused by viruses, bacteria, or parasites. Symptoms often include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. This illness can last from a few days to a week, and it is usually spread through contaminated food or water, or close contact with an infected person. Treatment typically involves rest, fluid and electrolyte replacement, and medications to alleviate symptoms. In severe cases, hospitalization may be necessary. Good hygiene practices, such as washing hands frequently, can help prevent the spread of gastric flu.